How to download Project Jazz on your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking to download the Project Jazz and get started with it, firstly open up your Google Play Store and then in the search bar type in Project Jazz. Once you do that, from the search result, go ahead and look for the Project Jazzgame from VT Games. Once you are inside this page, tap on the install button to begin downloading the app on your device. Wait for the download and installation to finish. Once the installation is completed, tap on play, follow through the on-screen instructions, and then you will be inside the game. Go ahead and start a new game and enjoy. So that is how you easily download and install Project Jazz on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.